Welcome to the session. In this session, I'm going to solve two problems on PBP, that is payback period, when equal cash inflow is given. And whatever now we are going to do, these questions are important for 5 marks. Look at the first problem. A project costs rupees 5 lakh and yields annually a profit of rupees 80,000 after depreciation at 12% but before tax at 50%. Calculate PBP. Okay, here first project cost, that is initial investment, is given, that is 5 lakh, and yields annually a profit of rupees 80,000, means this is called as equal cash inflow. Okay, this equal cash inflow is given, that is 80,000. You have to listen carefully and remember that this cash inflow 80,000 per annum, it is given after depreciation at 12% but before tax at 50%, means the depreciation rate is 12%, tax rate is 50%, and this cash inflow is given after depreciation but before tax. But in the first session, I have given two notes. In that one is I have given that annual cash inflow for the purpose of calculating the PBP is net profit before depreciation and after tax. We need net profit or annual profit. What type of profit we require? Before depreciation and after tax. But in the problem it is given after depreciation and before tax. Okay, this we need to convert into net profit before depreciation and after tax. Okay, now solution. What we are going to calculate is calculation of net profit before depreciation and after tax. So I have prepared one table for this particulars and rupees. What is the net profit that is given in the problem? Net profit after depreciation before tax is given 80,000. That I have entered first. Net profit after depreciation and before tax is 80,000. From this we need to deduct tax at 50%. What is the tax rate given? 50%. Okay, 80,000 into 50% is 40,000. After deducting tax from net profit after depreciation and before tax, we will get profit after tax. Okay, profit after tax is 40,000. For this, we should add depreciation. What is the depreciation rate? See here, 12% is given. Okay, and this depreciation at 12% we should calculate on project cost or on the initial investment. Here see, initial investment or the project cost is rupees 5 lakh. 5 lakh into depreciation rate 12%. So 60,000 is the depreciation. So we should add depreciation to the profit after tax. We will get net profit before depreciation and after tax 1 lakh. Next, PBP. The formula for PBP when cash inflow is equal. So formula is initial investment divided by annual cash inflow. initial investment is given rupees 5 lakh and annual cash inflow. How much we have calculated? 1 lakh. Why we should not take 80,000 means because for the purpose of calculating PBP, we require net profit before depreciation and after tax. But in the problem, 80,000 is given after depreciation and before tax. Okay, this 1 lakh we should take for annual cash inflow. Now 5 lakh divided by 1 lakh is 5 years. PBP is 5 years. Next, look at the problem number 2. A machine cost rupees 10 lakh and annual cash inflow rupees 1 lakh 50,000 after depreciation at 10% but before tax at 50%. Calculate PBP. Okay, machine cost is given, that is 10 lakh, or it is called as initial investment, and annual cash inflow is given 1,50,000. Okay. So what type of annual cash inflow it is? It is net profit after depreciation but before tax. But we required profit for calculating PBP is net profit before depreciation and after tax. Okay, and depreciation rate is given 10% and tax rate is given 50%. Now we should calculate net profit before depreciation and after tax. Now, whatever given in the problem, that is here it is given net profit after depreciation and before tax is given 1,50,000. We have to enter first. From this, we should deduct tax at the rate of 50%. So, what is the net profit after depreciation and before tax? 1,50,000 into 50% tax rate. 75,000 will come. Then this tax we have to deduct from the net profit after depreciation and before tax. We will get profit after tax rupees 75,000. For this profit after tax, we should add depreciation, and depreciation rate is given 10%. We should calculate the depreciation on initial investment or cost of the machine. So cost of the machine is 10 lakhs is given. 10 lakhs into 10% is 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 75,000 is 1 lakh 75,000. This is net profit before depreciation and after tax. Next, PBP we should calculate. The formula is initial investment divided by annual cash inflow. Initial investment is 10 lakh and cash inflow is, we have calculated 1 lakh 75,000. Okay, PBP is 5.71 years, or we can simplify this and we can write 5 years, 8 months and 16 days. How to simplify? Here 5 is there, this is 5 years, and 0.71 is there. We have to multiply by 12 months. We will get 8.52. This 8 will become months, and again 0.52 into 30 days means 15.6 will come. So we can write 16 days. Now PBP is 5 years, 8 months and 16 days. Thank you.